Good afternoon on another hot Saturday in Doi Saket. A few weeks ago I purchased a green screen and thought it was about time I got around to using it. So this is my first go and hopefully it will turn out okay. This week you were supposed to be getting a video of me and the bike crossing the local dam on the small ferry service that is provided there. Fortunately, having driven around 60 kilometres around to the other side of the dam, I couldn't find where the ferry departed from for the life of me. So I ended up getting back on the bike and coming all the way back round again. However, I will have another go, but will depart on the ferry from the dam on this side near my house, because I know exactly where it goes from here, and obviously when it gets to the other side I will find out exactly where it stops at the other end. So this week was the annual event of going to get my retirement extension for my visa, which fortunately went very well. I actually used an agent, though I am quite capable of doing it on my own, I'm pretty sure. But if you use an agent, you're pretty much guaranteed it's going to run smoothly and you're not going to be presented with, oh, you should have brought this, or you haven't brought this bit of paper, etc, etc. So as I've got older, I find that time is of more value to me than money, and so paying 3,000 baht for an agent to do the job for me is the right thing to do for me. I was in and out of immigration in 40 minutes with a stamp in my passport, and the young lady had even done my 90-day report for me, even though I hadn't asked her to do it. So everyone's happy, thankfully. Yesterday I decided to put the drone up over the local rice fields. If my regular subscribers remember, I did a video a few months ago where they were planting the rice in the field by my house, and we've now got to the other end of the season and it's all ready for harvest. This was confirmed by the fact that this morning the harvester turned up and he's been in the local fields for about the last 3 or 4 hours. So as well as showing you from above what rice fields look like when they're ready to be harvested, we're going to get the added bonus of some more drone footage and some normal camera footage of the harvester in action this morning. I hope you enjoy this video. Rumour has it it's going to cool down in the next few days and the rainy season is actually going to start, so I'm planning to make a few more trips. It's been almost impossible the last few weeks, it has been so hot, and having to drag my good friend Betty Swallox around with me all the time, it's made life very difficult. So make yourself a cup of tea or get a cold beer out of the fridge and sit down and hopefully enjoy this video. Thank you. I went for a walk down to the village this morning and there was no running water in the irrigation channels, so I thought maybe they might come out today. I suppose after you've lived here for 2.5 years, it's some of the knowledge imparts itself on you and you have a reasonable idea of what's going on. And in there, I think that's 2 loads off the combine harvester. So I think after this one, maybe they're going to need an empty lorry.